Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. Today, what we're seeing in the equity market is a bit of a disconnect between the European futures and the European markets with the US futures. Why? Because there is a lot of hope that the fiscal or the pandemic the fund, which was approved by the EU officials, has now finally got the backing from the Frugal 4 nations, which were saying that, okay, we are not ready how those funds will be dispersed as a grant or whether as a low interest rate. But now the decision is here in terms of backing, that the Frugal nations are ready to back the 390 million euros worth of that fiscal package in terms of grant. Now, of course, this is going to bring enormous amount of strength for the European markets and for the European economies. That is why we are seeing a consistent uptrend for the European markets. As you can see in the chart, the DAX index is retracing slightly from its recent highs. The index has already formed a double top. As you can see, a few weeks ago there was another top, and then now we are forming another top. This confirms that the DAX is forming some sort of a retracement from its highs. But as for the US futures, the focus is very much on the fiscal talk that is taking place between the Democrats and Republicans. Those conversations, they're going to start today, because remember, Congress was in recess for the last 2 weeks, and today, for the first time, we are going to get those conversations going. Of course, investors are very much concerned whether they are going to get another stimulus package, whether they're going to get another stimulus check, and how those fiscal measures will really help the smaller to medium-sized businesses, because bigger companies, bigger corporations already had an enormous amount of help in the previous package. And because of that, we are seeing some sort of a risk of trade over for the US markets. This is the reason that we're seeing gold prices again inching to the upside. As you can see in the chart, gold price is still above that critical level of 1800, and as long as it continues to trade above that level, the path is open for the gold prices to continue their journey towards a record high of 1923, which was formed back during the financial crisis. That's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.